New Onyx products are finally here as they've redone and revamped their entire lineup. This is the Onyx Boox Nova Air 2, 7.8-inch HD Carta screen with 300 ppi, dual warm and cold light, octa-core processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs onboard storage, and Android 11. Doesn't have the biggest battery size at only 2000 milliamps, but it does have a microphone and a speaker. I like how the box is white, honestly. Most of their boxes are either black or blackish green as their kind of signature color of the last generation. So the outer sleeve is white and the inside is white as well, the cardstock itself. But it looks like the actual box itself is still the black Boox box. And then that's good because that's green in an ecological standpoint because they're reusing the boxes. The outside is themed as whatever it needs to be. Nova Air 2, etc. But the inside has been the boxes that they've been using for quite some time, which is totally fine. Now, here is the unit itself. They have still not gone away from the plastic here, although this one is a little bit translucent. It is still plastic, so we'll leave that till the very end. And let's pop open the inside to see what we have under here. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. A white pen. They had the Nova Air first gen with the white pen with the conical tips. They had actually gotten rid of that pen and they went with the black version and they got rid of the conical tips and they went with the standard Wacom tips. Unfortunately, this is a bittersweet moment. It is the white pen, but it is just the regular Wacom tips. These are not the Air tips, regardless of the fact that this is for the Nova Air, unfortunately. So a little bit excited, but a little bit let down at the exact same time. You have a USB cable right there and your documentation with corresponding serial number, so hold on to all of this. If you have any sort of issues whatsoever, you will need all that information. Now for the unit itself, it should slide out very nicely like this. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Nice background, good texture. They got rid of the peppered kind of paint splatter background, which I really loved, but they kept the same kind of wraparound aluminum bezel here, so that's really cool. On the front, it is a corresponding color, this kind of stone gray with the white outer side and the magnet snap with the little signature or signia right there telling you where to snap the pen. Should snap just like that. Wow, that's a strong magnet. I can already tell that's a lot stronger than the last one. Previously, it would actually kind of pivot a lot easier on this axis, but it doesn't seem to do that quite as easily here. You'd have to kind of push it really strongly down, firmly down. You have the pins right here to put the peripheral case, and it is overall looking very nice. This is a really clean unit. It's really lightweight, has stereo speakers at the bottom, microphone with a USB-C, and a power button up top. You guys don't need to see that it turns on and what languages you can choose because Onyx International is an international company. They have every language under the sun, so you won't have to worry about that. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Boox Nova Air 2. Stay tuned for a full review coming up.